friends, in this video I would like to share something about psychotic illness and antipsychotic drugs. What is psychosis? Psychosis is a condition that affects the way your brain processes information. It causes you to lose touch with reality. You might see, hear, or believe things that are not real. Psychosis is a symptom, not an illness. A mental or physical illness, substance abuse, or extreme stress can cause it. It's the actual definition of psychosis. Psychosis refers to an abnormal condition of the mind described as involving a loss of contact with reality. People experiencing psychosis may exhibit some personality changes and thought disorder. Depending on its severity, this may be accompanied by unusual behavior as well as difficulty with social interaction and impairment in carrying out daily activities. What about the causes of psychosis? Doctors don't know exactly what causes psychosis, but some known risk factors include genetics, drugs, trauma, injuries, and illnesses. Genetics, you can't have the genes for it, but that doesn't always mean you'll get psychosis. These drugs, the prescriptions of medications and abuse of alcohols or drugs also one of the causing agents of psychosis. Then trauma, the death of loved one, a sexual assault or war can lead to psychosis. Then some injuries and illnesses are also the causing factor of psychosis, especially in brain injuries, brain tumors, strokes, Parkinson's disease, HIV can all bring on psychosis. Psychosis can also be a symptoms of mental illness like schizophrenia or bipolar disorder. What about the symptoms of psychosis? Psychosis does not suddenly start. It usually follows this pattern. These warning signs before psychosis, it starts with gradual changes in the way you think about and understand the world. You or your family members may notice a drop in grades or job performance, trouble thinking clearly or concentrating, suspiciousness or unease around others, lack of self-care or hygiene, spending more time alone than usual, stronger emotions than situations call for, no emotions at all. The early psychosis signs are hear, see, or taste things others don't. Hang on to unusual beliefs or thoughts no matter what others say. Pull away from family and friends. Stop taking care of yourself. Not be able to think clearly or pay attention. Possible symptoms of psychotic illnesses are disorganized or incoherent speech, loss of interest in personal hygiene, loss of interest in activities, problems at schools and with relationship, slowed or unusual movements, strange possibly dangerous behavior, also confused thinking. These are the important symptoms of psychosis. What is psychotic disorders? Health problems including severe mood disorder, regressive behavior, personality disintegration, reduced level of awareness, great difficulty in functioning adequately, gross impairment in reality testing. Types of psychotic disorder: schizophrenia, bipolar disorder, psychotic depression, psychoaffective disorder, drug-induced psychosis, psychotic disorders not elsewhere classified. What's the difference between neurosis and psychosis? This neurosis is a group of uncertain functional neuropsychical disorder that exhibit themselves in specific clinical phenomena in the absence of psychical phenomena. The psychosis is a critical mental illness occurred due to loss of contact with the reality and deep disturbance of the relationship with other people causing social unacceptance. What about the diagnosis of psychosis? First, you can see a psychologist or psychiatrist or a social worker. They will find out what might have caused your symptoms and look for related conditions. Doctors diagnose mental illnesses after ruling out other things that could be causing psychotic symptoms. These antipsychotic drugs, the drugs used to modify or to correct pathological behavior, psychotic disorders, these moods or thoughts are known as psychotic drugs. These antipsychotic drugs are otherwise known as major tranquilizers. The antipsychotic drugs mainly consists of dopamine receptors antagonists. The tranquilizers have been defined as drugs which gives peace of mind without causing hypnosis or anesthesia. Different medicines and drugs were introduced in psychosis. The drugs which are used to cure psychotic problems are known as antipsychotic drugs. The first drugs were introduced in 1952, chloropropamines. In 1960s, maximum drugs were introduced. Also 1970s, introduced two important antipsychotic drugs. In 1970s, clozapine. Also 1990s, four important antipsychotic drugs were introduced. In 2000s, 5 antipsychotic drugs were introduced. Antipsychotics. What is antipsychotics? It's a class of drugs. It's a class of medications of psychotic problems. It is used to manage psychosis. The psychotic, different types of psychotic disease like dystonia, akathisia, Parkinson's. Here, what is the causes of dystonia? There are not any specific or identifiable causes of these conditions. However, it is believed that these conditions might be linked to damage to the basal ganglia, which is the part of the brain that is responsible for muscle contractions. The symptoms of dystonia: patient has a dragging leg, involuntary pulling of the neck, patient experiences cramping of the foot, patient finds difficulty in speech, uncontrollable blinking, patient feels pain and is exhausted all the time, stress and fatigue triggers the symptoms of dystonia. The next one, symptoms of akathisia, is subjective feelings of somatic restlessness, objective signs of restlessness, or both, especially the symptoms like a sense of anxiety, inability to relax, jitteriness, pacing, rocking motions while sitting, constantly crossing and uncrossing legs, foot stamping, bent seated, and rapid alternation of sitting and standing. The next important one, Parkinson's. Here, the symptoms are mask-like face, asymmetric resting tremor, then rigidity, the shuffling steps, freezing, slowed movement, reduced arm swing. Here, this Parkinson's related the word trap. This T means tremor or rigidity. This A means agnosia. Then P means posture and balance. This tremor means shaking, usually starting on one side. Rigidity means stiffness of the limbs, neck or trunk. Agnosia means loss of impairment in power of voluntary movement. P means posture and balance. The important antipsychotic drugs and dose range, side effects are clearly represented in this table. This especially the clozapine. The side effect is hypotension, myocarditis, then hypersalivation. Then the important adverse effects of antipsychotic drugs. These drugs cause postural hypertension, cause peripheral anticholinergic effects like dry mouth and nose, blurred vision, constipation. Also, these drugs can cause cardiotoxic effect, weight gain, skin eruptions. Especially the important antipsychotic drugs, phenothiazines, it's easily passed into breast milk. The different treatments were used to cure psychosis, especially psychotherapy. The first important one, counseling, along with medications and medicines, can also help manage psychosis. The next one, CBT, it's cognitive behavioral therapy, can help you recognize when you have psychotic episodes. It also helps you figure out whether what you see and hear is real or imagined. This kind of therapy also stresses the importance of antipsychotic medications and sticking with your treatment. Supportive psychotherapy helps you learn to live with and manage psychosis. It also teaches healthy ways of thinking. The next one, cognitive enhancement therapy, uses computer exercise and group or to help you think and understand better. Then family psychoeducation and support involves your loved ones. It helps you bond and improves the way you solve problems together. The next one, coordinated specialty care, CSC, creates a team approach in treating psychosis. When it is first diagnosed, CSE combines medications and psychotherapy with social services and work and education support. Life is 10% of what happens to you, dear friends, and 90% of how you react it. Stay positive attitude is everything. Train your mind to see the good in every situation. Dear friends, stay positive, work hard, make it happen. Then a positive attitude will lead to positive outcome. Be positive, patient and persistence. Be happy and healthy. Thank you.